Me at Walmart app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and let us get started. Let's head over to your Play Store first and search for Me at Walmart app. If you see update beside your Me at Walmart application's name, then you have to tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Here scroll below onto apps and search for Me at Walmart. For instance, if this is your Me at Walmart application, under App Info page, you have to tap onto Storage and clear the data. Before that, make sure that you know your credentials, then tap on Delete. Now go back to your home screen, open the app and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall that application and reinstall it again. Once done, that will definitely work. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.